In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a Doordash gift card and use the balance at checkout. We'll walk through exactly where to go in the app or on the website, how to enter your code correctly, and what to expect when you place your next order. Follow along and you'll have your gift card balance ready to use in just a couple of minutes. First, open the Doordash app on your phone or head to the Doordash website in your browser, then sign into your account. Make sure you're using the account where you want the balance to live, because once a gift card is redeemed, the funds are tied to that account. If you're on a shared device, it's a good idea to double check you're logged into the right profile. Next, go to Account. On the app, you'll usually find Account at the bottom right of the screen. On the website, look for your profile icon or name near the top and click it to open your account menu. This is where Doordash keeps your personal settings, payment options, and credits. Now select gift card. It may appear as gift card or gift cards depending on your version. This is the section where you can add a new gift card, view your current balance, and manage any credits that are already on your account. Enter your 16-digit gift card code and redeem it. If you have a physical card, the code is typically under a scratch-off panel on the back. If you received it digitally, copy and paste carefully to avoid typos. Don't include spaces or dashes unless you see them in the input field, and never share your code publicly. After you tap redeem, you should see a confirmation that the balance has been added. If you get an error, double check the digits and make sure you're in the correct country, site, or app version. Once redeemed, the balance will automatically apply to future orders at checkout. That means when you build your cart and go to the payment screen, you'll see your gift card balance appear and reduce your total. If your order total is more than your gift card balance, just add a secondary payment method to cover the remaining amount. You can use any valid payment option on your account to complete the difference. If your balance fully covers the order, you'll be able to place it without adding anything else. A couple of quick notes to wrap up. You can redeem multiple gift cards over time, and the total adds up in your Doordash balance. To see how much you have left, return to the gift card section under Account. And if something doesn't look right, updating the app or contacting support can help clear things up. Enjoy your next order.